Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be very interesting because today I bring one science experiment for the students of especially class 10s or NCERT students. So today in this experiment, in this video I'll show you experiments that will help you to give the idea of magnetic field lines. So what do you know by magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines is an imaginary lines which help to represent the directions of the magnetic field as well as strength of the magnetic field. So as you say that it is an imaginary line, today I will show you how it's look like. So for this experiment, to do the experiments, we need magnets that is called bar magnet. You can see this is the bar magnet. It has north and south, two directions, two poles, north pole and south pole. This is mark, this white mark, it represents the north pole, another one that is south pole. To do the experiments we are going to show the magnetic field lines, how it represents. For that, this bar magnet is required, and also this is the material I have collected. This is called iron fillings. This is nothing but the small pieces of irons. To do this experiment, we need this material. So now have a look. So this is a bar magnet. I place it over a white paper. Then what I'll do, I'll bring this iron filling and I'll place it here. And for that I need, you can see these are the lines of magnetic field lines. It's coming nicely. See this pattern, see the pattern. These are magnetic field lines and imaginary lines which represents which gives the directions of the magnetic field lines, as well as with the help of these magnetic field lines we can find out the strength of the magnetic field. Now see, this is the pattern of the magnetic field lines. As we know that the magnetic field lines will started from North Pole and it came out from the North Poles and ended in the South Pole. Here also you can see, by doing the demonstrations, we can see that it is starting from the North Pole and it is come out from the North Pole and ended with the South Pole. And these are the properties of the magnetic field lines. Another properties is that here you can see that magnetic field lines follow a closed curve. They never break. Why it is so? Because it is started from it came out from the North Poles and ended to the South Pole outside the magnet, and inside the magnet is just opposite. It came out from the South Pole and ended to the North Pole. In that way it follow a closed curve. And also another properties of the magnetic field of lines is that they always repulse. And third property is that magnetic field of lines, they never intersect with each other. You can see here the magnetic field of lines, they never intersect with each other. Why they never intersect with each other? Because at the point of intersections, if we place the magnetic needles, so it is likely to be show the two different directions, and which is not possible at all. That's why magnetic field lines never intersect with each other. So I hope this video is going to be very interesting and very useful for the students, especially those who are preparing for SSLC exams, metric exams. For them this experiment is going to be very interesting and very useful, and I hope they will get the benefit for this experiment. So if you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. So thank you very much.